What's up, y'all? Largemouth lunkin. We're out here today. Looks beautiful just after a rain. We're gonna throw around a few baits, see what we can do. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna hit the drop shot. My boy Christian's already caught one. We missed that action. Trying to tie up a spinnerbait till we realize why tie up a spinnerbait.
That one?
No, I think I might be stuck. That's what it feels like. Yeah, I was stuck. You have to remember all that timber right there, guy. Yeah. P-line. CXX, let me let you know. 6-pound test. Snap that limb. All right, go ahead, P-line. There's a tree right here too, right?
I think it's more over there now.
It's more over there now, so maybe this is more like the, this is like the bottom over here. I'll try this side. I feel like it didn't hit the ground. Yeah, I think I'm getting snagged. Yep. That, ladies and gentlemen, was my snag. Tied up, folks. Let's see where we can go next. All right, here we go. Ha! We're up on a little guy who's trying hard to get off, but got you, bro. So yeah, once I could cast, now that he's got my line thoroughly twisted. So there we go. Small one, but we're on deck. Done with the IPPON. Let's get you back in. No skunk.
Get back in there and catch another one, man.
That is the plan. Almost too much. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're about to hook up though.
Yeah, for sure.
Just like this.
Oh, did he break you off?
He sure did.
Wow.
And he was a little one. No, he was little, bro.
Yeah, that's why you gotta retire.
Nice.
You gotta retire, man. Come on.
Oh, I'm gonna retie. But cool. You got me. You got me. A little guy too. I saw him in the water.
Hey, it's ready to break.
Nice.
I heard the trees. You heard it?
Uh-oh.
Oh, there goes a nice one.
There we go.
Oh, tiny hook too.
Yeah. He's specializing in the little ones, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yes, sir. We found him though.
Yeah, man, they're all right in here, huh?
Yes, sir. They're everywhere.
They're everywhere.
Everywhere.
Make it sound like a horror movie. They're everywhere. No, let me get over here in this gap. See what we got. Oh, darn, not the hook. I was hoping just to get rid of the weight, you know, but all right. It's too hot out here to be losing these setups like this. There's too many fish around to be sitting here having to retie.
Yes, sir. But, lure.
Glad I listened to you and bought all these weights.
That we call them.
We just, oh, that's not exactly where I want it to be with it. It just might not be close enough yet. Need them shy ones. We got the ones that were roaming.
There we go.
Yeah, see, we got the ones that were roaming. Oh,
That's a nice one too.
yeah.
There you go. Wow.
I gotta do better, I guess.
I think you need thicker line. Was that 6 pound?
Yeah, but dude, I catch everything on 6 pounds, so you know what? Next time I'm just walking them all the way over there.
First I thought that guy was gonna steal our cars, and there's another one.
There you go.
Out of nowhere, I'll catch like a 5-pounder.
Okay, because yeah, these are actually some of the smallest ones I've caught out of this lake.
Yeah.
Don't mind catching them. That's for sure. You like to stop catching some of these tree pounders. Sounds like somebody is putt-putting, doesn't it? They're not gonna make it. See if this worm is gonna work for your guy. See where the magic is in Aaron's magic. See if there's any magic in it. Either that or I might need a drop shot of June. They hate those. Because they like to say, oh, I catch any fish? Because those guys are always surprised. They're like, yeah? Like, yeah, dude, even me.
There you go. The drop shot works.
Huh?
There you go. The drop shot works.
Well, we know the drop shot works. But I just can't be am I supposed to be a one-dimensional angler?
Yeah.
Right? That's not gonna help me. I get in a situation, the wind's super blowing and you can't use a drop shot, then what am I gonna do? Oh. Jeez. Nice. This one's, oh, yeah, good. I got it free. All of me, come back. Yes. Oh, okay. There we go. We got another one, guys. I'm just gonna pick him up. There we go. Nice little one. That's been about the size today. He's got my line twisted nice, but I'm back. There we go. Yeah, and we're having some fun today with the little guys. See how little? There we go. Most of the time I have to lay off, even like that. But I need to get back to where I was getting bit. I'm like, this ain't cool. Somehow I seem like I get bit here in this middle region. It doesn't seem like one or two I got pulled from out there. But let's see. That's right in front of that log. Water's going right back in there too. They're getting kind of pushed right out there. Ooh. Huh?
Those guys got a big one.
Yeah.
I heard something big slashing away.
I heard some birds.
Yeah, I heard the birds, but not birds are right here. Both sides of the trees.
They might have. What's that? Perfecto?
Huh?
You said perfecto?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
If it's not perfecto, I ain't using it.
Got it. You can't just be bonito? Hey, I already topped out on my Spanish. Uh-oh. Try to keep it low, see if I can get hit again.
So far, I like the tires. Pretty good.
They look good. How much do they cost?
Like $15 on Amazon.
15?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
If the guy knows you, if the guy knows, that you go fishing a lot. Oh, there you go. There you go. Look at you catching fish around me time.
Yeah, I learned that from you. There we go. Go ahead and tire yourself out, player, so I can grab you. Jeez. All right. Look at that. Fell right out of his mouth right when I picked him up. All right. So nice. Third one I actually got in today. Good job. Nice little dinky dinks.